अंदर क्यों जाओ? बग
सोचे कि आप फोटो
नहीं, तुम जाओ।
संडे
तुम लोग कैसे खेलते हैं? देख के तो बहुत बड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है, लेकिन ऐसे खेल नहीं पाएगा लगता है। बहुत द टीम बॉल बाहर जा रहा है वो।
सड़क में मांगा बड़ी
আমার ছোটবেলায় কেটেছি নামখানা, নামখানা আমাকে ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং করেছিল নাকি?
না, আমি স্পোর্টসম্যান আপ টু 10th ওইখানে হাওড়াতেই করেছি।
আচ্ছা,
তারপর সব বাইরে
তার কী করেছে?
তারপর ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং
বললাম ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং করেছি।
ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং করে স্পোর্টস ম্যানেজমেন্ট করেছি।
এখন কোথায় চাকরি করে?
still hiring is going on, no?
All the year.
That's a goal kick. That's a goal kick.
Just check the year.
अच्छा, क्या है? हवा हवा निकल गया। अभी सुबह सुबह तो सबका हवा दिया था।
Give me a number. 897. Shubhadeep. BEE.
The ball one, put some blue on it. Anybody have?
897.
I told him this one.
77700.
So you're in consulting side?
Yeah, that's
Like one of my college in Shaujanna Das.
See if there's any opening. I was in HP.
okay.
So I got laid off.
Okay.
I'm just looking for
2025 last time.
Or yes, keep on joining one company again, you switch again.
I got laid off, so I'm using one opportunity where if I
Last
meet
time
some-
you say you're working in HP, now you stop again.
You know what is the meaning of layoff?
I know.
Then hug.
The meaning of layoff means they don't call me like that. If it is in a performance review, somebody can get and you are on the accounting side. Yes.
Business analyst, planning and claiming.
Planning and
Claiming.
what kind of claim means?
For example, say if our laptops has to be promoted in an event, which is an outdoor event. It's an outdoor event in publicly. If they put a canopy and standees and all, what budget they have initially asked from us, we'll give them. But for the same budget, they have to produce all the photocopy, brochures, date.
I'm not asking you what is the job role. The claim means, typically claim means it is under insurance.
This is not the insurance.
Is it primarily on the event management side?
Yeah.
They are playing good. At least for initial 5 minutes ball has been played in this up only. Here, still बॉल 5 मिनट में तो बॉल हज में क्रॉस ही नहीं किया। ठीक से रखा नहीं, क्या करता है? You want a chair?
हाँ? No.
हाँ?
It's fine. I can't sit. बैठ के रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते फिर।
अरे जब रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहा बैठ जाना।
There's one leather stool out there. Yeah? On the views. Yes, cameraman. One steel surgeon.
Hey, Chidu.
What a lovely.
This was 12 o'clock. Then next match 1:30.
12 के बाद 1:30 yes.
उसके बाद 3 o'clock. Chidu, next match win करेगा? नहीं.
No, next match I'm doing only one half.
Only one. team coach ready कर.
Yeah, because I should be ready now. I don't want the parents to see me standing like this.
Can I do main?
Oh, Sandeep sir, let them all do men no.
मैं का कुछ जाना नहीं, मैं तो दे देता.
I used to give all them all the training on whenever I don't do
ठीक है,
men.
देखता हूँ माइकल सर क्या बोलता है.
Because you will be trouble. You don't, they learn now means
नहीं,
you will be
they
in trouble
learn
later
now.
on.
They learn now does not mean that if they are not ready, we will push for them. मैं इसीलिए सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देख लेता हूँ, ये कॉन्फिडेंट है तब जाके मैच कर. जैसे कल भी उधर मैंने वो सुहास को टीयर 1 में भी आधा मैच दे दिया. ठीक है, वो टीयर 2 में करके करा है, मैं देखा, तो उधर भी मैं आधा मैच दे दिया उसको. करने दो. And
I give them more chance. Me, I don't want
नहीं
to do
तो
men.
they also need to be. उसके बाद आदेश बोलता है मेरे को भी मैच दो, मेरे को भी करना है, मेरे को भी करना है. अरे वो ठीक से उसका कोई फोकस ही नहीं है करने का. मैं उसको कितना कुछ बोलता हूँ हमेशा वो
Back answers.
बट दैट इज योर फॉल्ट. यू गाइस आल्सो एट फॉल्ट. हमेशा उसका पीछे सब लोग मिलके पड़े जाते हैं और वो भी जवाब देते रहते हैं. एवरीबॉडी इज आफ्टर हिम, राइट?
Excluding me, not
नहीं
you.
नहीं सुहास नहीं. See, the most important part is your attitude. Learning attitude होना चाहिए. If somebody says that no, I know, then their learning is gone.
सर आपको पॉइंट दे दिया ना? सर आप extra मेरा
नहीं, ये तो मेरे को एक गिफ्ट में मिला था यूके से. This is from UK.
अच्छा तो फेयर प्ले सिंबल एंड फुटबॉल सिंबल
But काफी थोड़ा बड़ा है. मेटालिक.
बट आई यूज दिस वन
ये कौन है?
मॉरिशियस
मॉरिशस का लेके घूम रहा है. देखो वो चला गया.
आज मैं ये
कैसा है? वहाँ का करेंसी है.
मॉरिशस गया था बोल के दिखा रहे सबको.
अभी नेक्स्ट वीक हांगकांग रेस है जुलाई में.
हम लोग जो कॉइन दिया था वो तुम्हारे पास नहीं
Oh,
है?
heavy. This is very heavy. ना clean है.
सर
हाँ ये यूज करो ना. अच्छा दिस इज फेयर प्ले ना. दिस इज द फीफा फेयर प्ले सिंबल. इधर दिया हमारा. ये इसमें सिंबल नहीं दिया हम लोगों को इसमें. कोई लेवल नहीं. I have done the Karnataka high school level, state level. So that national level में it was always highest late, 8 was late. But here I'm primarily referee instructor and assistant.
and as well as match commission.
Match commissioner is different role from the referee side and state side. No.
That is a huge responsibility.
Match commissioner means person who conducts the entire match. That is that is the venue manager. Match commissioner is the person who is responsible for conducting successfully. So all the matters, ground matters, referee matters, security, then press, media, broadcasting, everything one has to look at. He is the tournament coordinator from KSL. Here in this tournament we don't have any match. क्या कर रहे हैं?
बड़े
कुछ
मैचेस
खोल दिया. जो लोगों ने तो खेला ही नहीं.
फर्स्ट मैच था.
हाँ.
मैं तो वॉक ओवर ही हो गया
फर्स्ट
बढ़िया.
स्ट्राइकर जो लोगों ने थे ये अंदर कर दिया नहीं है. पहले सब कुछ अंदर करता हुआ 100%. So for referee now we have to do 8 level. So 8, 7, 6 is the state level. No, increasing or decreasing. 8 is the entry. 8, 7, 6 at the state level. Then from 5 onwards at the national level. Level 1 is the FIFA. Level 2 is the I-League referee. Then level 3 is the national pool. No, level 4 national. Level 5 is the national entry level. Cholon is an assistant referee. He is doing ISL this year. Cholon is just like cut to level 2. So level 1 is can be FIFA.
Which one is
cannot-
A team? This one.
A team is this. No, Prime FA is A.
Short, put the ball line.
Also we have the match commissioners who are doing ISL. They are the top level. So this year 14 match
Where you at?
commissioners are doing ISL.
What are you doing?
We are for I-League we are
Chilling?
also there. From Karnataka we are
Where?
I-League.
अच्छा ऑप्स कौन कर रहा है वहाँ?
No.
One referee, Bharat Muni.
अच्छा
That is FIFA certified.
Oh, is
but
it?
yes, many referees have done international matches.
सिद्धार्थ है.
Even Tony has done.
मैं ये बोल रहा था कि I'll need your help in the evening because I have one hard disk also.
He is going to not do the not this competition. International. That is at the AFC level.
Safe.
Here is the international matches is the AFC level. FIFA level में भरत मनी कौन सा मैच किया?
Yeah, we do, but I
FIFA
don't know.
means
What time will you get free?
World Cup or which is across the world. He might
हाँ
have
तो
done all the
I'll be there at home,
AFC.
so you can
Or
like it
South.
will be there. Just come on Banarghatta Road का जो cut no where you take a left and come to the back
Like
gate.
Balu sir
I'll share the location. Just wait there. I'll come and hand it over to you.
But I still remember seeing doing one
If I reach the
Brazil का मैच Brazil का मैच
Lakan is inside. I'm recording.
If Brazil is playing a
Yeah, call him.
friendly game here, that is also an international match, right? Yes, it is an international match. No, it is not set up the life. That is a recognition. Then you need to and see the most important is that staying at the topmost level. हाँ
एक भी गोल नहीं पड़ा ना अभी.
हाँ
saw that. Ulta pulta.
दो बुढ़े को लेके Okay, so he was listed as a Asia Cup 2004 qualifying second round match.
दोनों ही.
Same level, huh?
One. Oh no. Very close.
इतना जल्दी? मैं तो 35 कराता हूँ. ये लोग क्या करेंगे? Because the tournament says it is 35 minutes. Yeah, चलो ना 35 या 30.
follow all the rules in the right world. Sometimes they use
उधर हम लोग 45 मिनट्स का मैच करा रहे हैं अंडर 15 का.
Everybody is happy, okay.
Everybody is happy, okay, but we are not supposed to take that decision on our own. That 30 minutes खिलाएगा. तो मॉरिशस गया था ना, इसीलिए तुमको बता रहा है. ये तुमको बता रहे हैं, मैं मॉरिशस गया था. बैठो बैठो बैठो. चलो मैं बैठो. बैठो बैठो बैठो.
Next match.
Substitute players.
I have no problem.
Substitute players.
Yes, yes, please.
Substitute players, go back.
Hello. Chalo, chalo, bhai. Water break this is. What? What's up?
Coaches, this is water break, not a coaching break. Please keep in mind, every time we will not say this is water break, not a coaching break. Go.
Take them water behind.
पूरा साल भर पढ़ेगा नहीं, इसी एग्जाम का टाइम पे पढ़ेगा. गो 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 बॉयज गो.
बॉल इकडे बन.
इसका टेंट भी उस साइड में थोड़ा कर दो ना. इन लोगों का बच्चे लोग का टेंट भी उधर कर देगा तो अच्छा, थोड़ा आधा अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ ठीक है, अभी थोड़ी देर ये मैच के बाद शिफ्ट कर देंगे.
हाँ. क्या ये पहले से था कि तुम लोग आके लगाए?
नहीं था ये, एक कम था शायद. नहीं, एक ये बीच में था. यहाँ पे ये वाला जो था रेफ का उधर लगा हुआ था, और यहाँ हम धूप में रिकॉर्ड करते थे पूरी
नहीं
जम.
नहीं वो ठीक है. अच्छा
तो हमने इसको आगे ही करा लिया.
अच्छा.
Gan, Costa.
What they are doing?
Even I also applied for match commissioner, but I didn't get nominated also. I desperately wanted to write engineering. Sir, that thing helped me out, sir. First time I put एक बात पूछना है. So that thing I feel like no, this complete leg was outside for encroachment.
नहीं पूरा बाहर नहीं था.
Okay.
See, even if a portion of the leg is on the line, it is still okay. Both if the leg is completely inside, so इन लोगों को educate कर दो हर एक चीज में. And it was not out. I have seen that it was not out. Goal.
That wasn't mine. At least try to get it.
Hey, go friend! 시간 그만 좀 해야 돼. 일단 내가 아웃이야.
अर्जुन बांगड़ा बोले.
Hey.
Yes!
Go. Short. Yes, put the ball. Yes.
अपना
पानी का बोतल लेके रखा था ना, कहाँ गया?
खाली हो गया मैं भर के
नहीं ठीक है.
लिया हम क्या
नहीं आप काम करो, मैं लेके आता हूँ, तुम काम करो.
It's exceptionally hot today. फेस पे लगी क्या उसको? पे
बहुत ऑफिसर होके बैठा है, सपोर्ट कौन करेगा? तो इसका सामने ये चेयर में बैठो, बैठ के सामने एटलीस्ट यू कैन हेल्प.
चलो ना. Not yet started. It's not yet started. He didn't throw still. He was inside the field.
More inside.
Coach, please, we'll take his legs. Thank you.
He's just giving the challenger. He's just giving the ball idea. He's inside.
No foul, easy boys, no foul.
match you have completed. Arjun,
कभी सबर दे सबर कभी सबर
Goal, 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 goal.
so is it on the sports medicine side? I mean, and
He didn't trust my
दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा अभी सोलन को.
yeah.
The ball has goalkeeper has caught him. After catching the ball, Anna is giving outside.
मेरे साथ मैच कराना है हमेशा ओवररूल कर नहीं does not mean referee has to give offside. If goalkeeper has already got the ball, there is no point.
No point of giving.
One of the very, I'm not say complicated, but there are too many things to consider for an offside. But in general, you just keep in mind, when the ball was played by an attacking team, that time, if the if the same team member
Citraldo.
is
Oh, son,
ahead of the
Over.
second last defender or ahead of the ball.
Over.
Offside position. Offside position, being in offside position does not mean it is offside all the time. Similarly, touching the ball in hand does not mean handball all the time. Simple. So there are many considerations for that. अभी कहाँ से आप मेरे को बोलते हैं भाटकल जाना है रेफरी का कोर्स कराने के लिए?
where?
भाटकल.
भटकल एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल गांव है। मैं लास्ट इधर मेरा एक
ब्यूटीफुल गांव तो क्या है, मैं लास्ट 3-4 रेफरी कोर्स जो भी हम लोग कंडक्ट किया है,
हाँ हाँ
आई हैड टू डू मैक्सिमम क्लासेस. छुट्टी नहीं.
कोस्टल टाउन है बट बहुत छोटा सा गांव है।
Get that flag.
It's about 32 minutes.
32nd minute.
Hey, how long is it going to take? 35 minutes going to do.
I am nowhere listed there. I am just a spectator. जो करना है करने दो. ए बीच में चला 2 मिनट का वाटर ब्रेक लिया, उधर इंजरी हुआ. क्या देख रहे हैं? चलो तुम्हारा फोन ना निकाल लेंगे जब मैच चला रहे फोन पे फोन. So he is a scorer, official scorer.
हाँ. 22.
Official scorer, 32nd minute. निकाल जाएगा तो ऐसे ऐसे फाड़ रहा है.
Kick, kick. On the ball, go back. Hold, first ball. First ball. Don't gas. Clear. Yes, now put the ball down. Put the ball. Clear. Go back. Go, Prince. Nobody. Half time.
Some good breeze.
और नेक्स्ट दोनों टीम का ये दे दो ना, टीम लिस्ट दे दो and ask them to get ready by in next 20 minutes. नेक्स्ट टीम में कौन कौन है? रोशन लोगो. Next is Play India versus South Castle United.
इसका बोन टच कैसे पास हुआ? लास्ट टाइम एक इससे भी छोड़ा था, उसका बोन टच फेल हुआ।
कौन सा?
लास्ट वाला पाइप।
So there was a time when this TW3 was going on. I was the total 4 days हुआ था बैंगलोर में. I think 2-3 साल पहले का था. 11 is the captain.
हाँ
छेत्री, आदित्य छेत्री. नहीं, आदित्य गिरी. आदित्य गिरी. क्या फर्क?
गोलकीपर फॉल्ट है।
कितना टाइम क्या है? सेकेंड हाफ में टाइम क्या हुआ? स्टॉप किया था. स्टार्ट किया था. देन बीच में जो ये हुआ कहाँ गया? You are in the fourth official. You are not taking time.
One more same.
Let's go, come on. I love you, man. Come on, that's all. Come on, that's all. Easy, bro. That's all. Press down, press. Shoot, shoot.
सर इधर 0-0 आएगा ना इन फेवर में भी.
0-0 छोड़ना नहीं.
Press down.
कौन सा? नहीं, कुछ नहीं लिखना. कुछ नहीं लिखना.
सर हम लिखना स्क्रैच करते
हाँ, स्क्रैच करके नीचे. अच्छा, ये वॉक ओवर किसका वॉक ओवर?
पता नहीं.
ये अगर नहीं रुको तो
Ball.
Look at it. How's it like?
Ref. Oh. It should be camera should be a little bit harder. It should be going down like this. Better, yeah. Capturing the this one, no. Instead of putting from here, no, this view. You can put from top, no. Yeah, that's all. But here you don't have.
Ball.
Sometimes when you
Ball.
in BFS that is good. BFS one is
The ball is gone out of the compound, bro. Ask the
yeah.
ball going.
BFS it is good.
You cannot catch the offside, but even BFS is.
Yeah, that side one because they do from the center half. Can you call that Anna? Can you call the one?
Bro.
Hey, your son is in. Went back, huh?
No need of high press. Drop.
He went back, huh?
Over no 1 month.
Even he can do refereeing there also, no? He's doing there, huh?
He got certified in first year itself. Without certification also many does refereeing who are playing soccer there, na? But he has a certificate.
And for him it's easy.
He is doing matches.
What about playing?
Playing also.
Gaining weight, huh?
No, he is planning to change the college.
Gaining weight also, huh?
Gaining weight means अभी उधर देखो बहुत सारा time है जो when they don't have anything to do, but he is only hitting gym.
Oh,
तो gym करते करते उधर
gym is making body bigger.
हाँ बॉडी बिगर भी चाहिए क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो बच्चे लोग खेलते हैं ना सब दानव है तो वहाँ पर वो भी एक चैलेंज है ना.
You need to be faster, lighter.
Hey, don't break the camera.
Hey, came for the ball only now.
Anna, ball outside. అవదా ఎందుకు we won't get ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ
क्या हुआ?
ಹೋಗೇಗಾಗಲ್ಲ
बॉल नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा
कहाँ गया? बाहर गया ना.
वो पूरा जंगल है इधर भी उधर भी मैं ऑलरेडी सार को बोल दिया
हाँ विलियम
उधर जाएंगे तो नहीं मिलेगा
देखो एक बार फिर भी देखो आजू बाजू में नजदीक हो सकता है ना. एक बार देख लो मिलेगा नहीं.
ओ
उधर गया
हाँ एग्जैक्टली किधर गया है बिजनेस.
Yes, sir.
सेकंड पे
एक बार देख लो नजदीक में आजू बाजू में दिखाई देता है तो एक बार देख लो. ट्राई करके देखते हैं उसके बाद नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. ट्राई तो करो लेकिन
Hamilton is in second place.
जरूर है.
F1.
F1.
F1. 17 clubs out of 56. Antonio is leading P1. Verstappen isn't there.
You watch F1, sir? Who do you support?
Just watch for fun.
My daughter picked up a phone. From some friend at this.
Best thing, sir.
Phone. Johnny Jonathan. Next team कौन सा बोला?
Playing your South Castle.
साउथ कैसल पे प्ले इंडिया. कैसे है दोनों टीम?
Not that great, sir.
Nobody.
Drop. Yes, now. Clear. You want me? Penetrate.
अभी इतना हाइट है सर.
जंगल है क्या?
हाँ पूरा जंगल.
गवर्नमेंट का?
ये वाला उस तरफ दोनों.
ओ
उधर इधर तो ठीक है, थोड़ा देख सकते. उधर राउंड वाला बाइक है ये हो गया.
See, earlier in this entire stretch there was nothing. It was all protected area. Only schools, nothing else. This entire Sarjapur and then this road, Batul Road. Only school came up. In Venture, JSB, Grenada. These three schools were there. There was nothing. Then now अभी देखो ना, एक बार कोई चालू करेगा तो चालू होगा. But many big builders, what they did, they bought the land and kept it. They know एक दिन तो होगा ही. So that is a
Whoa. Shit. Tiny one, slip on it. Right, one hand now. Hey, don't hit that side, you won't get the ball. Don't waste the set pieces. India's next team is ready, huh?
हाँ.
We have now 15 minutes.
Get them.
Idea go. I think you can go for lunch, so you can go. Can you finish in 15 minutes?
वो इतना खाया उसको भूख नहीं लगा. नहीं जाएगा? जाओ.
एक साथ में जाएंगे.
नहीं एक साथ में तो नहीं होगा ना. मैच तो कंटिन्यूअस चलता रहेगा.
Can go, you can go now. Next two is go. Drop. Sir, आप दोनों क्या हो?
करना है तो जा सकते हैं
कैमरामैन को बोल ಹೇಳಿ
क्योंकि जाएगा खाने के लिए
ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಮನ್
अभी खाने के लिए 130
ರೇಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಿಜಿ
Question changed.
he is listening to the commentary, that's why जब भी कुछ होता है इधर देख रहा है समझ में नहीं आया तुमको
He's leading by 1.3. बॉल गया पर
कहाँ गया बॉल नहीं ऊपर ही है ए बॉल तो ऊपर ही है ले ना बाबा ओ उधर हमारा बॉल बॉय है
Hey, come fast, yeah. Come. My bag, another boot is there. Bring that.
The safety car is not come out yet.
once it came out already.
Already came out once.
Yeah, launched while went and
Crashed.
stopped the car.
Sheesh.
नेक्स्ट मैच कौन कराएगा
मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव स्पोर्ट्स कार रहता ना
Weightlifting. Expensive
you
sport.
will do only one half no
कार एवलो
Car sponsored na. Company sponsored car nala.
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ನೋಡಕಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ VIP ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ
Hey, no.
ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್ ಎಸ್
No VIPs. I went for this badminton baddies no. Indoor stadium I went and
ಲೋಕಲ್ ಸರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಮಿಂಟನ್
no bro, you can go. How about Olympics and all the
should be
fans come
tennis
out?
no then.
Tennis, it's like see, all the sports are not like see, certain sports are like there, like only VIPs are gone. Everyone is viewable. There's nothing like that.
ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು
You can take ticket, bro. Badminton, tennis. That's why.
Yes, please. Get in, get in.
Another tickets are available. You can go see.
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು
जब तुम्हारा ड्यूटी आता है तो तुम ये सब बात करने चले जाते हो चलो अभी हुआ था ब्रेक हुआ 4th ऑफिशियल का वही ड्यूटी है तब तुम चला गया था ये सब लेके
Boys, get back now.
ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬ್ರೋ
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಓಪನ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ You can go. Wimbledon also you can go. My friend has gone Wimbledon. Tennis. You can buy ticket, but you won't get like main grandstand. But you can grandstand. It is only entry. That is 150 tickets something. That is only for VVIPs. That is only 100 tickets something. Rest you can go buy. You can go.
You can go anywhere and buy provided you get the ticket and the visa.
This will be costly and heavy.
Yeah.
Be ready. Be ready.
जैसे ये ट्रम्प ने साला जो किया है
Every sport has VIPs, bro. Others you can buy tickets. Normal tickets you get.
देखो देखो देखो
Physio.
फिजियो फिजियो बुलाए चलो न भाई फिजियो भेजे जाओ जाओ गो गो गो
Which sport you can't only VIP?
What was the discussion point?
He was like tennis and badminton you can't go watch. Only they'll invite you to watch.
Huh?
That's what he told.
Who told?
Physio. When the badminton baddies happened here, I went and saw him.
रे आदित्य हैट्रिक করবি না बंगाली समझ में आता है थोड़ा थोड़ा घर में कौन सा लैंग्वेज बात करते हैं नेपाली
It's that color and I said that color is that similar. Physio. Again you are needed.
Go, get in.
Play forward. Hey, Aida lane.
Go.
Kidet.
Same leader. Lead same.
No, Leclerc overtook Lewis, but he's fighting back.
He will not allow whatever he overtakes.
Ferrari are not letting him go. They're like, stay there. But Russell is behind him, just behind him.
Correct.
Finish!
Relax.
Oh!
Kick non get the save non get third.
Let's go!
CO2.
Yeah, that's what I heard. That's why. Oh.
Hamilton P2.
Ah.
Both are, he's not letting on and he's also not letting on. Letting him.
My goodness. Look at this. वो दोबारा दिखाएगा तुम सुनते हो वो दोबारा दिखाएगा सेकंड रिप्ले देखना तो पता चलेगा बेटिंग फिटिंग भी करता है क्या बेटिंग भी करता है क्या इसके ऊपर नहीं ना
इस पे नहीं होता बेटे
क्या मालूम
नहीं हो सकता सर क्योंकि रेज एक एक क्लैप में डिसाइड हो जाता है
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Goalkeeper is way behind his post.
So what? Nobody will expect. That is a gem of a strike. Nobody will expect. No goalkeeper in this universe will expect. Go through the entire video. अरे रॉन्ग टर्न यार इधर से बट तुम्हारा कैप्टन दौड़ रहा है उसको नहीं दिया
King's pen now, orange color. Just when he comes near, no, just see if he's like, according to you, if he's falls under U15.
That is not my jurisdiction. तुमको खाना है तो जाके मैच करना है तो जाके खाना खाओ नेक्स्ट मैच आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट गोइंग
I'll do the third match after that match.
तब तक रखेगा हम लोग
हाँ रहेगा player, no handball player.
Almost over.
real Madrid will produce players like
Physio, be ready. Physio, be ready. Be ready, please.
अरे हो गया ना टाइम
Video.
It's gone, Ra.
चला गया
Oh, nutmeg.
Substitute. It's with you only that we gave the slip now. Check. No, that is over. They don't come out.
Send whomever you want to send first No, send first, send
Go,
first.
go, send the player inside.
Send the players inside because there is no more time left. तो लिखते लिखते मैच खत्म हो जाएगा. बच्चे लोगों को बैठा कर रखा है.
Boys, please come here. Substitutions. Once your substitution is done, sir, right and center first. Please come here once you're come with the slip, please.
Hey, tell him to finish, yeah.
Solana. Solana.
How do you take this one?
Milan, Arpit number.
Hey, players, substitutes, come out. Players, please be inside. Substitutes, come out. Players, be inside.
रोशन रोशन ओ फर्स्ट मैच में इधर जो ये क्या हमको कुछ रिपोर्ट में डालना है क्या वॉकओवर कौन वॉकओवर
Jersey number 22.
Striker.
सुपर स्ट्राइकर डिड नॉट अराइव ओके
He say no again, huh? But walkover should be written for us.
No, no. अरे I don't know whether it is walkover or it is rescheduled. That organizer should tell me. क्योंकि कोई टीम तो था नहीं इधर.
No, they,
So it is
for
a
us, they say
walkover.
walkover. You have to write it. Because they super striker.
Jogo Bonito. The super striker did not come.
Elijah. Finish. Why you don't want to finish at all?
Jersey number.
The striker.
Chotu, no?
Not Chotu.
अभी तो 35 minutes भी हो गए. Almost.
Drop. Hey, defense.
19.
Jersey number.
Hey, all the boys, stay in the circle, all the boys. Go get in, stay in the circle. Run.
Bro, who scored, bro?